So guys, kilala natin si Mulan, 'di ba, bilang badass na warrior na naging hero despite living in a man's world, right? So Disney gave us this girl na sumalungat sa expectations. Pero did you know na Mulan's story wasn't even meant to empower women? At yung OG version niya, walang mushu, walang "Who is that girl I see?" May pakanta pa. At definitely walang love story. Ang totoo, her legend was written during a time na gusto ng gobyerno i-frame ang perfect woman. Obedient, self-sacrificing, and never a threat. Pero, teka, before we go there, no, rewind muna tayo. Ang pinakaunang version ng kwento ni Mulan ay galing sa isang poem noong 5th to 6th century during the Northern Wei Dynasty. So, ang title nito is The Ballad of Mulan. So guys, wala tong author, walang exact year, pero preserved siya sa Yefu